Cabka is basically a German company. It's in Europe we have 6 plants. Here in the US we have 1. The size of this building is 400,000 square feet. We produce plastic pallets and recycled materials. We run 24/7 and our focus is recycling post-industrial plastics. One of our major issues is finding employees. The MiR is going to reduce dependency on temp agencies and minimize downtime due to lack of people. As we integrate the MiRs to our process, we're also implementing the automation on the whole line. So we're doing the sprue clipping and the deflashing, and then the 6-axis robot puts it on the MiR and the MiR handles it from there.
Purpose of the MiR is to move the parts from the production cell to a staging area where they can be checked for quality, and then they're moved to the warehouse for final storage. What the MiRs will do is it will take stacks of pallets from accumulating on the production floor. We have an entire aisle of material movement along our machines that we want to clear up. Once we use the MiRs, that should become just a MiR lane rather than having forklifts and pallet jacks and everything else go through there. With the MiRs, we're less concerned with people getting in the way, because the MiRs just stop dead if you get too close. Whereas with the pallet jack or a forklift, there's a chance of somebody getting hit. So there's a lot of safety concerns that this will alleviate. Ultimately, we want multiple MiRs running multiple lines. So we'll have one MiR charging, and then once it reaches charge, it'll swap out and take over from the other one. We have a full-time material handler out there. That's all he does is move pallets around. And we have 11 machines. Once we have the MiRs online, that person won't be handling those pallets, so he can be moved to a different position.
One of the goals in the long term is to utilize the MiRs for our warehouse. There's a lot of things the MiR can do, like on night shift, prepare orders for the next day. The next morning, people come in and the orders are basically ready at the dock for loading.
Right out of the box, the MiR's very easy. Turn it on, you can drive it right out of the crate that it comes in. Then you can start mapping right away. After you make the map, then you can set points, make a mission in a matter of minutes. With the MiR500, we're very happy with the payload. It's handled everything that we can stack on top of it. We haven't found out how high we can go yet. We've been comfortable with everything we tried to put on it. It can make turns, go straight, it can hit bumps, and it's always very stable.
We have a lot of good people. Sometimes it's hard to keep up with what is needed to be done. The advantage of the MiR and automation is to make the job easier, smarter, and not harder. This is going to give them some relief, be more focused on quality, and basically focused on customer needs.